Do you think traditional sales outbound is dead? And why does no one in sales want to do traditional outbound anymore?
Traditional outbound is the most important thing, Harry. And if you're not doing it, you are doing sales wrong. And the reason why is because pipeline is the most important thing if you want to hit your quota, as we just established. And the way that you build pipeline is through outreach. The founder that I mentor, he PG'd into me. He cold messaged me. Without that, I wouldn't be mentoring him. We have so many opportunities that are in our pipeline because we did the hard thing. We picked up the phone. We sent out an email. We were persistent with it because usually it takes about 5 messages before someone is going to respond. And ultimately, we feel good about it because we're providing a solution for them that helps them. We're not trying to sell them something that they don't need. We're actually helping them. And so if you think of it from that standpoint, what you're doing when you're picking up the phone is something that's good for you and it's good for the people that you're calling.
Oof, so glad to hear. It's also like, people run away from things that are painful, and outbound can just be continuous punches in the face. And so I think it's nice to stay in the warm and cozy environment that is, warm inbound.